students of Standard 10, you are going to learn a new chapter, that is Chapter 4, Natural Vegetation of India. What is natural vegetation? Natural vegetation is compact composition of climate, soil and biotic factors. From ancient period till now, it is very important. A large part of India was covered by natural vegetation, and in the ancient period, our ancestors or the people, those who were living in the ancient period, they were dependent for food, shelter and their clothing on the forest. Nowadays also, if you see the importance of forests, they are very important for many purposes. Whether directly or indirectly, forests provide lot of products. They provide timber for building purposes, for furniture, also for wood for various other purposes. Forests provide raw materials like bamboo or grasses for paper or pulp making. Also, forests provide a large grazing yard for rearing animals. Forests are very important as they are responsible to bring rainfall. They provide moisture in the atmosphere due to the transpiration, and there is water cycle and there is rainfall. Also, they reduce soil erosion. So, they are also conserving soil. They also check flood during the heavy rain or rainy season, because the roots of the plants tightly protect or hold soil and check the floods. It also increases the scenic beauty in the mountainous regions or the areas where there are waterfalls, so that attracts many tourists from other countries. So, if you see the importance of forests, there are lot of importance and they are very important for different uses. If you see the different types of forests, there are 5 important types of forests. These are the major types of forests: tropical evergreen rainforest, tropical deciduous or monsoon forest, thorn or scrub forest or desert forest, mangrove or tidal forest, mountain forest. There are varieties of forests or trees found in different parts of our country. Because of the various types of climatic condition and relief features, and the amount of rainfall is the main factor. The areas where there is very good rainfall, there is dense growth of natural vegetation. The areas where there is lack of rainfall, there is less vegetation. So, like that, there are 5 important types of forests, and today you are going to learn the first, tropical evergreen rainforest. These forests are found in the areas where there is very heavy rainfall. Annual rainfall between 200 to 300 or more than that occurs in the area. Or there is high temperature and humidity. Temperature ranges between 25 degrees Celsius to 27 degrees Celsius. And the areas where there is very heavy rainfall, they are the western part of Western Ghat, also in the eastern part and northeastern part in Assam region, where there is very heavy rainfall. and also in Andaman Nicobar Islands. So, these areas have dense growth of natural vegetation. The rainforest, evergreen rainforest. The trees here are evergreen because they do not have any particular season to shed their leaves. So they look always green. There is dense undergrowth, varieties of trees of different sizes, and also different species, epiphytes, climbers, creepers, all are densely grown in this region. And because of very dense growth of natural vegetation, there is lack of transportation. And that is why the trees, they are hardwood trees, very important trees, but they are not able to be utilized. They are not being exploited for various purposes because the trees are not found in pure stand. They are very dense, and because of dense undergrowth, there is lack of transportation. If you see some of the important trees found in this region, they are hardwood trees, rosewood, very important for expensive furniture. Shisham, also very important for furniture. And Gurjan, which is found in this region, that is also very good for furniture and shipbuilding. The next is tropical deciduous or tropical monsoon forest. They are known as deciduous forests because deciduous trees are found. The trees which shed their leaves once in a year in a particular season when there is warm weather conditions and there is high temperature. So, these forests are found in the leeward side of Western Ghat, the foothills of the Western Ghat, to the north, the foothills of Himalayas. The largest area is covered by this deciduous forest or monsoon forest. These are found in the areas where there is rainfall between 100 centimeter to 200 centimeter, and the areas which have high temperature, and the trees in this region are found in pure stand. They are open in nature, and that is why it is very good for transportation, and the trees which are found here are very important commercially, and therefore they are being utilized for various purposes. There are many trees found in this region. They are sal, mirobalan, teak, jamun, mahua, khair. Many trees which are found here are very important for expensive furniture, also for various purposes. Semal, it is very important for the case boxes or match boxes. Also, it is important for packing cases. Sal and teak, very important for furniture and building purposes. Bamboo trees which are found largely here, that is the raw material for the paper industry. So, this is the area having many important trees, and they are commercially very important. So, do remember these two types of forests. Thank you.